Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get voice chat in Roblox Mobile without an ID. Many players are eager to use this feature to connect with friends and enhance their gaming experience. We understand that not everyone has access to an ID for verification, and that's perfectly fine. This guide will walk you through the available options and provide clear steps to help you enable voice chat safely and effectively on your mobile device. Get ready to explore new ways to communicate in your favorite Roblox games. Before diving into the alternatives, it's important to understand the standard requirements for Roblox voice chat. Typically, Roblox uses age verification to ensure a safe environment for all users. This often involves submitting a valid government-issued ID to confirm your age. However, we know that this isn't always an option for everyone. Don't worry. This video is specifically designed to address those situations, offering practical advice for players who want to enjoy voice chat without needing to provide personal identification. Now, let's explore some alternative methods to access voice chat if you don't have an ID. One common approach is to use a parent or guardian's verified account with their explicit permission and supervision, of course. They can help you enable the feature through their settings. Another strategy involves joining specific Roblox experiences that might have different verification processes or allow voice chat within their community guidelines. Always remember to discuss these options with a trusted adult to ensure a secure and enjoyable experience. Finally, let's talk about safety and best practices when using voice chat. Your online safety is paramount, so always be cautious about sharing personal information. Only interact with people you know and trust, and if you encounter any inappropriate behavior, report it immediately to Roblox Moderation. Regularly check your account privacy settings to ensure they align with your comfort level. By following these simple guidelines, you can enjoy voice chat responsibly and have a fantastic time connecting with others in the Roblox universe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.